students, till now we have solved various sums on calculation of new profit sharing ratio in case when a new partner is admitted into firm and reconstitution of firm takes place. Now today we will discuss about the sacrificing ratio. That sacrificing ratio is also necessary to be calculated at the time of admission of new partner, because it is sacrificing ratio through which the sacrificing partner is to be compensated by the new partner through the goodwill. So sacrificing ratio is a ratio in which the partners agree to sacrifice their share in profit in favor of new partner. The formula of sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio, and this formula will give the other two formula also, that is new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice, and old ratio is new ratio plus sacrifice. Now we will solve some questions as regard to calculating sacrificing ratio. So let us go to first question, that ABC are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Mr. D is admitted as a new partner, and the new ratio of A, B, C and D is agreed as 3:2:2:3. We have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Dear student, as we know, the formula of calculating sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio, and in this question old ratio and new ratio both are given. So simply by applying the formula of sacrificing ratio, we will easily calculate the sacrificing ratio of A, B and C. So the A's sacrificing ratio will be old ratio, that is 5/10, minus new ratio, that is 3/10, which will result 2/10. Similarly, B's sacrificing ratio is old ratio 3/10 minus sacrifice 2/10 is equal to 1/10. C's sacrifice old ratio 2/10 and new ratio also 2/10, so sacrifice will be nil. Thus, in this question, sacrificing ratio of A and B will be 2/10 is to 1/10, that is 2:1. Here, C has not sacrificed any share of profit in favor of D for accommodating D as a new partner into firm. Now, in second question, X, Y, Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:2. Mr. P is admitted as a new partner with 1/10 share in profit, and we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. As we know that for calculating sacrificing ratio, we need new ratio and old ratio both, and in this question only the old ratio of old partners is given. So first of all here we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio by assuming total profit of the firm be 1. So let the total profit be 1. Now the combined share in profit of X, Y and Z will be total profit minus new partner share in profit, that is P's share, 1 minus 1/10, that is 9/10. Now this combined share of profit of X, Y, Z will be distributed between X, Y, Z in their old ratio, and the resultant will be the new ratio of X, Y and Z. So X new ratio or new share 4/9 of 9/10, that is 4/10. Y's new share 3/9 into 9/10, 3/10, and Z's new share 2/9 into 9/10, that is 2/10. So new profit sharing ratio of X, Y, Z and P will be 4/10, 3/10, 2/10 and 1/10. P already given. So 4:3:2:1 will be the new profit sharing ratio. Now by applying the formula of sacrificing ratio, we will easily calculate the sacrificing ratio of x, y and z. So SR of x, sacrifice of x will be OR minus NR, that is 4 by 9 minus 4 by 10. 90 will be LCM and then resultant will come 4 by 90. Similarly, sacrifice of y, 3 by 9 old ratio minus 3 by 10 new ratio, it will come 3 by 90. And sacrifice of z, 2 by 9 old ratio minus 2 by 10 new ratio, it will be 2 by 90. So the sacrificing ratio of x, y, z will be 4:3:2. Now, third question. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Admit C as a new partner into firm for 1/4 share in profit. And A and B decided to share future profits of the firm equally. And we have to calculate sacrificing ratio. Dear student, in this question, we should be very cautious that here one new thing is given, that after the admission of new partner C, A and B has decided to share future profits equally, that is 1:1. In this case, the method for calculating new ratio will be same, that we have to first assume that let the total profit be 1, then we have to go on further. So here you see that let the total profit be 1. Now combined sharing profit of A and B will be total profit minus new partner share, that is 1/4. 1 minus 1/4, 3/4. This is the combined share of A and B. Earlier what we are doing, this combined share we are distributing between old partners in their old ratio, and the resultant is their new ratio. But here we will not distribute this combined share in 3:2 ratio, but it will be distributed in the ratio of 1:1, and the resultant will be their new ratio. So this is the only thing what we have to take care of in solving this question. So here the combined share in profit of A and B has come 3/4. Now this 3/4 combined share will be distributed between A and B, not in 3:2, but in 1:1, and the resultant will be their new ratio. That is new ratio of A, 1/2 of 3/4, 3/8. NR of B, 1/2 of 3/4, 3/8. Now new ratio of A, B and C is equal to 3/8 is to 3/8 is to 1/4. Then making denominator same, we have multiplied it by 2. So the new profit sharing ratio of A, B and C will be 3:3:2. Now we have ascertained this new ratio. Now by applying the sacrificing ratio formula, we will calculate the sacrificing ratio of A and B. So sacrificing ratio of A, old ratio 3/5, new ratio 3/8. So 3/5 minus 3/8, LCM will be 40, and after entertaining it, we will get 940. And same way, sacrificing ratio of B, old ratio 2/5, new ratio minus 3/8, new ratio is 3/8 minus 3/8, the resultant will be 140. So my dear student, the sacrificing of ratio of A and B in this case will be 9/40 is to 1/40, that is 9:1. Thank you.